What's up YouTube, welcome to Code with Lakshit. In this tutorial I will explain you how you can read and open a file in Python. So let's begin.
Hey myself Betty, I'm Lakshit's assistant. I make sure that his videos are helpful to you. Please tell me your video experience in the comment box so that I can tell Lakshit to improve his videos. And I'll keep your extra care if you subscribe to his channel and also press the bell icon. I and Lakshit will really appreciate it if you complete this 10-second task. Thank you.
Normally you want to open a file, you simply click on the file and the file is opened. So how we can open this file in Python? Simply go to Python, create a new file, let's name the file and any name you want to give the file, then put .txt here and write anything you want to write here. Let's say I love Python and save it. After that go to your main file, create a variable. Let's say you can give any. I have created files equals to open, then put the file name here pypy.txt. This is a file name and simply print. Let's say what's the file name, simply put the variable name, then put a dot and read, save it, and if you run the program your file will be executed. So this is the first part of this lecture. I will tell you some more about it in the next lecture. So thank you and meet you in the next tutorial.